Once upon a time, under the quiet skies of 2020, 3 airline captains gathered. Airports were empty. The world was still. They dreamed of a people-centered airline to connect travelers and showcase Croatia. Many called it impossible, but today, ETF Airways' fleet of 3 aircraft, Discovery, Voyager, and Enterprise, soars across continents. Together, we've flown 25 times the distance to the moon and back. Flexible ACMI and charter services bring the skies to many long-term clients who trust us year after year. And the journey continues. In 2026, 2 new aircraft join the family, the ATR 72-600 Regional Turboprop and Explorer, the Boeing 737-800, expanding ETF's horizons even further. On the ground, ETF is growing too, opening ETF Travel, a travel agency connecting people and destinations worldwide, and ETF Technics, a maintenance center providing high-quality MRO services. ETF is built on common sense, not bureaucracy, and at the heart of it are the people, owned and managed by aviators. All crew members working with passion and living balanced lives. From bold beginnings to one of the most successful independent airlines of our decade. This is ETF Airways. Enjoy the flight.